Welcome to JH. I recently gave FlavCity protein powder a go, and the first thing that hit me was the surprisingly clean, natural taste. It actually mixes into water or almond milk without turning into a clumpy science experiment, which is a nice change of pace. Unlike most powders that taste like you're licking a chalkboard, this one is actually tolerable. I guess miracles do happen. Since adding it to my routine, I've felt fuller for longer, making it much easier to avoid those mid-afternoon snack rates. It provides steady energy throughout the day and serves as a solid post-workout shake that doesn't sit in your stomach like a lead weight. It's almost like they actually wanted people to enjoy drinking it. What really sets it apart is the lack of mystery fillers, just simple, high-quality ingredients for muscle support. It's versatile enough for smoothies or even baking, assuming you're the type of person who actually has time to bake healthy muffins. Overall, it's a reliable, delicious option that has officially earned its keep in my kitchen because it actually does what it says on the tin. It turns out you can have your protein and actually enjoy it too.